Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if you're not getting sound in the Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. If there's any snarky comments in the comments section, obviously you can turn on captions, you can watch it in a different web browser, you can do a different device. I don't know why you're looking up a YouTube video if you can't hear it on Google Chrome on the Chrome browser. It just doesn't make sense to me. So that's your problem. So anyway, getting past that, I'm just going to point out there's a couple of things we can try. First thing would be to right click on the tab that you're having the problem with. And if it says mute site, go ahead and select that. And then you can go back on again, right click and select unmute site. See if that resolves the problem. You can also go down your system tray and turn up your speaker icon. Make sure your speakers are also physically turned on. So if you have a button on your speakers, make sure they're connected. And finally, you might be having an issue with your physical speakers or output device, so you may have to just replace it. So there's all different considerations you may have to look into there. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.